All right, hi guys, how are you? Our birthday month giveaways are complete. I have drawn all the names. I have contacted the winners. They have given me their mailing addresses, and I have mailed out all the envelopes. So now I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I did, so that you have some transparency. First thing I did was, obviously you guys entered using the Google form. From Google Forms, I can click on a button that gives me all the answers in a spreadsheet. Google has some really great things. I'm going to zoom in here. Let me zoom in this way. There you go. So this is the screenshot I did of the Google Forms for the first giveaway. There's the where it says giveaway number 1 responses. I actually only had 16 responses. This first line obviously is the question, so that one doesn't count. So it's number 2 through 17. I had 16 responses. There you go, 2 through 17. I've blacked out or blued out everybody's email address for privacy, but you can see, if you know that you put in a response, you can see the beginning of your name there based on the date and time that you responded. And from this little experiment, I realized that I didn't need to give a whole week for responses, because most people responded within the first 2 days. So that's good to know for next time. My first question was, what was your favorite pattern? And here are the responses. Looks like Muka, Cadent, and Flux seem to be in the top ones. I like the answer that this last person gave. I would be happy to tell you my favorite child, but how can you ask me to pick a favorite tangle? I thought that was a great answer. Anyways, out of those, I need to go this way. The next picture is, I went to Google random number generator and I put in the numbers 2 through 17, and it gave me the number 5. So I went back over here and I found line number 5, which was this one. I then sent an email to that person, and they responded with their mailing address, and off went the envelope. I thought it was interesting when we did the second one, which was the question, which type of pattern do you like best? I could even, oops. Where I could even get a response in a graph, which was really cool. You're too far out. There you go. Which pattern type do you like best? And it looks like most people, 54%, like a free form. And then the next biggest group was ribbon. The smallest 2 groups is filler and grid. They tied, well, actually, filler, grid, and orb circle all had 9.1%. Most of my audience likes a free form, which is what I like as well. So that's cool. And perhaps that's why you guys like it, because it's one of my favorites and I enjoy it so much. So anyway, for giveaway number 2, once again, most of the responses came within the first 2 days. And there we go. So really, when I have a giveaway, you guys, you have a really high chance of winning, because hardly any of you respond. Out of 22,000 or 23,000 people, 11 people bothered to enter the giveaway. So you have a really, really high chance of winning. The next time I have a giveaway, just keep that in mind. You have a really high chance of winning because hardly anybody responded. In any case, there are the email addresses, the times, the answers, and then I went over to the random number generator again, did 2 through 12, which gave me 11 responses, and response number 3 was the winner of this one, which happened to be this one. And I sent that email off. We corresponded. We finally got together, and envelope went away. Next one was giveaway number 3, which the question was, do you like it when I draw more than one pattern? And if I do you want it to be a long video or a short video? Separate videos or one big humongous video? Seems to be pretty much 50-50. Once again, I had most of my answers within the first 2 days. A couple people were a little bit later, but most of them were within the first 2 days. But for the most part, everybody said yes to liking it when I do more than one pattern or, longer video like that. So most people said yes to that. That's good to know, so that I know what you guys like, what you want to listen and watch. Then again, I went to the random number generator and put in, this one had actually a few more responses. Whoops, won't let me go backwards. Where am I at? I'm at this one, right? So this one had number 2 through 19, so I had 18 responses this time. And I got number 7 in my random number generator, which was this response right here. And I took a while to get back and forth, but we eventually did it, and off their envelope went. Then giveaway number 4 had only 10 responses, so it went through line number 11, but it had only 10 responses. This is the one where I asked, tell me about you and your drawing process and what you like to do. And I really enjoyed the answers, and I will be sharing these answers on a upcoming video because I thought that they were very interesting. Meanwhile, I went and did random number generator, and we got number 7 between numbers 2 and 11, and number 7 was this one. And so I wrote to her, she got back to me, we did our thing, envelope has been mailed. And then the last one, giveaway number 5, which was ask me a question and I'll answer in a future video. Once again, only 14 responses, number 2 through 15. And so you had a really high chance of winning. I really liked the questions. I will be answering them in a future video, maybe over a course of a few videos. Once again, the random number generator again picked number 7. I have no control over that. It was just randomly whichever one came up first, which was this one with Willow Wanders. And yeah, so we got together this morning. This morning I got that email. I wrote out the envelope, and it will be popped in the mail sometime this week, shortly. So all of them have been addressed. Most of them have been mailed. This last one needs to be popped in the mail. But I just wanted to be transparent with you guys, let you guys know who were the winners. Congratulations to everybody who won. Thank you for everybody who participated. You know, I've got this core group of people, clearly between 10 and 15, 16 people that are just die-hard fans, and I appreciate you guys. I really do. Some things may be changing up on the channel shortly. I have some really ideas that I'm really interested in. I started making drawings for the October ones, and I just am not feeling it. I just not. So I'm going to change directions. I'm not giving up I'm not giving up pattern making or pattern drawing. I may not always do a tutorial quote unquote, where I show the pattern. I may just do the patterns and just draw them and not necessarily show you step by step. Excuse me, needed water. But I just want to let you guys know that there are going to be some changes coming up. Maybe for the good, maybe for the bad. Let me know in the comments section, or with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you really don't like some of the things that I come up with later on, if you give me a thumbs down, that's cool. Then I will know. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Congratulations to everybody who won, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.